Now, along with your pre-cut foam pieces, you're also going to have a little baggie with some scrap foam and a tube of glue. The tube of glue you are going to need a knife or some scissors to open before using. The three pieces of foam are scrap foam pieces that you can use to apply the glue onto the pre-cut foam pieces for the build kit, as well as to practice using the glue if you're not comfortable using cement glue already. Happy crafting! Before we start, these instructions can be used across each size of pouch pattern, but for simplicity and time saving, I am just going to show you how to make the medium-sized pouch. To begin, take the front piece and glue it down onto the center of the front section, making sure you have gaps on either side like so. Next, glue the two side pieces down onto the main pattern piece like so. Then take the back piece and glue it down in the center of the back section so that you have gaps on either side. We're going to do the same thing for the bottom piece in the bottom section. However, you're going to want gaps on each side of the bottom piece. Okay, now we can start putting this all together. Apply glue into the gaps between the front and side pieces here. Once the glue is ready, take the side pieces and bend them in towards the front piece like so. Do this for each side. Now apply glue between the front and bottom pieces, between the bottom and back pieces, as well as on each side of the back piece. Also apply glue to the side and bottom edges of each side section here and here. Once the glue is ready, glue down the side pieces next to the bottom piece like so. Make sure the faces and edges are flush. You can also push down or pinch the ridges, which will add some structure to the pouch. Now press the side edges of the side piece right next to the back piece. Now, if you're going to make the pouch functional, as in you want to keep it openable to put things inside, ignore the rest of the tutorial. If you do want to close the pouches completely, take the top and lip sections of the pattern and close the pouch. Mark down where the end of the lip section lays on the front of the pouch, like I do here. Now apply glue to the top edge of the side and front pieces, as well as on the side and between the lip and top section, and along the marked area at the front of the pouch where the lip is going to lay. Once the glue is set, starting with the side edges, press the top section onto the sides, and finally the top edge to the front edge of the front of the pouch. Last thing to do is press down the lip onto the marked area like so. And that's it. Again, follow these instructions for both the small and large patterned pouches. Thanks. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more cosplay content.